Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to log out of ChatGPT Android. To begin, we open the ChatGPT app. Then, we will click on the expandable menu on the left. In the list of options, we scroll and click on Settings. Here we will see different options. In this case, we go down and click on Sign Out. After a few seconds, the session will be closed, and the different possible options to log in again will appear. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.